Good morning, City Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy Leap Day. It's always interesting to see what happens on days like this when we have an extra day in the month of February. As far as the markets are concerned, overnight beans are just down about a penny, corn and wheat's up a little bit. I think that had a lot to do with the fact that the soybean and meal deliveries were bigger than expected on the March, and corn and wheat deliveries were lower than expected. We also saw that last week managed funds continue to hold a large corn and wheat short position. They still are long a big position in soybean oil, but they did reduce their net short position in the beans. As far as the other markets are concerned, we've got crude is mixed. There's some reports out that crude could go up to $40 a barrel, combination of some balancing of supply and maybe a little bit of pickup in demand. World stocks were lower because of disappointment that the G20 meeting didn't come out with a solid plan to help world economy. U.S. dollars a little bit higher, and China cut its our rate to help their economy. As far as weather is concerned in South America, Brazil should be mostly clear this week, should help harvest. Next week looks a little wet. Argentina conditions look good, and both Brazil and Argentina are reporting soybean yields better than expected. Last week we had the Outlook conference. The USDA said that the 2016-17 U.S. corn carryout is going to be 1977 million bushels. Range of guesses by private analysts is anywhere from 1,900 up to 2,700. For the bean carryout, they said it was going to be 440. Range of guesses is anywhere from 590 to 700. And for wheat, their guess for the wheat carryout in the U.S. was 989. Range of guesses is 990 to 1135. So we're looking for kind of a choppy trade as we go into the month of March. It'll probably be at least 2 weeks before we start trading weather, so expect us to continue to kind of be range bound until we know more about U.S. weather. U.S. farmers are selling a little cash to pay some bills, still looking at a negative cash flow situation for 2016. Seeing their working capital drawn down, their equity drawn down, and need some kind of weather issue to help prices get up above break even. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.